Visualization helps turn complex and abstract ideas into something everyone can see and understand. Using diagrams, imagery, and color to connect ideas solves problems and guides innovation. Tools like mind maps, mockups, and charts make collaboration easier and help present ideas clearly to both teams and clients. For Build Brew, visualization makes our youth-focused concept real. We use tools like Miro, Figma, and infographics to share ideas and show our social impact. In-store visuals and youth art help people picture how the cafe uplifts and empowers the community. Visualization uses 5 design elements to make ideas clear and engaging. The first is text, which must be simple, readable, and structured. Next are graphical elements and icons or symbols that help connect ideas, simplify information, and make visuals easier to understand. Lastly, figures and emotions, which bring character and connection to the message, and color, used carefully to highlight key points and link ideas. Overall, less is more. Visuals to stay simple, clear, and help communicate the story effectively.
South Africa faces a tough cycle. Poverty leads to unemployment, and unemployment limits access to skills. At Build Brew, we saw this as more than a challenge. It's a call to action, because when opportunity meets skill, real change begins. We didn't just want to open a cafe, we wanted to open doors. Build Brew turns unemployment into opportunity by giving young people real work experience, income, and confidence to shape their future. Build Brew isn't just a cafe, it's a launch pad. We hire young people, train them as skilled baristas, and teach teamwork, customer service, and entrepreneurship. Every cup brewed fuels education, scholarships, and business dreams. Our team blends 4 ways of thinking. The thinkers bring strategy, the organizers keep us on track, the humanitarians drive purpose, and the innovators spark creativity. Together, our mix turns ideas into impact. The vision doesn't stop here. We're expanding Build Brew cafes, partnering with schools and NGOs, and equipping youth to become entrepreneurs of their own success. The future smells like coffee and change.
Our prototype for Build Brew captures the heart of our vision, a cafe that empowers youth through skill building, creativity, and community. Every space within the cafe is intentionally designed to promote growth, collaboration, and opportunity while serving great coffee with purpose. The training area is where our young baristas learn everything from brewing techniques to customer service and entrepreneurship. It's hands-on, dynamic, and designed to give them real-world experience that builds confidence and employable skills. The meeting room represents collaboration and mentorship. It's where trainees brainstorm ideas, receive guidance from business mentors, and plan community events. The space is open, modern, and filled with natural light to encourage creative thinking and teamwork. The youth wall showcases success stories, photos of youth who've completed our training and gone on to open their own businesses or find employment. It's a visual reminder of impact and motivation for both staff and customers.
At Build Brew, we start with the why, to empower South African youth through training and employment. How? By hiring young people, reinvesting profits into their futures, and sourcing ethically. What do we offer? Premium coffee with purpose. Every cup draws opportunity. At Build Brew, every cup of coffee fuels change. We empower South African youth through training, jobs, and education, all while serving ethical, sourced, high-quality coffee. Guided by purpose, we brew better futures one cup at a time. Meet Sipho Mthembu, a 30-year-old junior marketing professional from Johannesburg. Sipho is a socially conscious changemaker who values brand sustainability, inclusion, and empowerment. Digitally active on Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, he supports local businesses that reflect his values and often recommends them. Understanding Sipho helps Build Brew shift from product-focused marketing to empathy-driven storytelling, creating deeper, meaningful connections with customers. To inspire change makers like Sipho, Build Brew shares its story of youth empowerment and ethical values. Together we brew better futures one cup at a time. Using Instagram, TikTok, PR, events, and in-store storytelling, we highlight real impact, transparency, and community success. Our multi-channel strategy builds awareness, emotional connection, and loyalty, turning every coffee into a catalyst for social change.
We are Build Brew, where good coffee meets community.